All right, welcome back. So, like I was saying, as you can see, what it has brought for us now, we can clearly see this is what you see here. This is the SQL script. This SQL script, as you can see, where's the script? This is the script here. Where's the result? This is the result. What I have provided here is a reusable script by any senior manager to constantly, every single minute, every single time they wish to achieve this result. And what you see here, if anything changes from the main data, which is the project data, whatever changes here, whatever status changes, if it changes from in progress to completed, whatever um, changes that is being made as the project increases, moves in line with the project process, the result will always change with it. Simple and easy, reusable script, exactly what they want. So going back now to the result, so this is what we provided. This is what they want. I'm just going to comment that out now. I'm going to click on start. I'm going to use the smaller. Let me use the bigger screen. Really doesn't matter the bigger interface or the smaller one. I'm just going to click on comment here. I'm going to pick on green. It gives me a little spot here to put my comment. What am I going to put in this comment now? Exactly what we were asked to do. We keep it simple and clear. Our project aim is what we put in there. They want us to get this insight. Let me make it bigger. I hope you can see it. Yes. Um, Based on, they want us to get insight based on number one, generate reusable. That's what we provided. Number one, reusable. Number two, based on project status. Let me put it to there. Project status in progress. We should aggregate it by these 2 bits. I'm going to put number three really there because it's kind of in different bits there. I'm going to bring this one down based on A, project name. We've done that, and B, the total, the grand total. Where is it? Where is exactly what I just said now? We come down now, coming down. Look at it here, the grand total. Let me align this so it looks nice and simple. The grand total, this is it. How clear, how simple it is. Running this script over and over gives you what you want. And this is the end. This is the end of it. What have I done now? I've clearly showed you this demo where I've achieved what the project manager wants using ESQL in front of you. Don't forget ESQL now has ePython with it, and I'm going to be running videos also with ePython as we move ahead. Depends on the project, I'll make my choice what to use. What have I done? I have provided this use case, project management in the retail industry. Um, just so you know, this could be cases being used, being needed for in different kind of industry. Reach out to us and we can provide you with what you want. As you can see on the right hand side, we can provide training or custom solutions to your problem or any other thing you might have going on there. So thank you very much, and this is the end of this short and fast and simple um, project insights providing the solution using ESQL. Okay, have a wonderful day, and stay tuned to the next ESQL edition. Bye.